Is a well-defined, consistently executed system of practices for categorizing content. It's really a well-defined, consistently executed system of practices for searching for that content. The categorization of that content, we need to make a note of this, K. The categorization of that content is on the putability side, not the findability side. It's also going to be dependent upon a good mix of corporate information policies, SharePoint system designs, and technology components. So you're going to have really, you can think of three circles overlapping each other. You got your information, your corporate information policies, which really come from your enterprise content management architecture, your SharePoint system design, both the technical and what I would call the soft designs, the URL taxonomies and the other document taxonomies, as well as the technology components, the web parts that you'll utilize, and the other tools that you'll use to put information in and pull it out of the system. It is consciously designed, okay? There is forethought and planning that goes into this, okay? Need I say more? Findability is not Google. You've got to teach your users that when they're using the search in SharePoint, it's not Google. It's not Bing. Okay? Although, well, maybe it's Bing because it's Microsoft, right? And no, it's not even SharePoint Server 2010. Why would I say that? Why would we say that it isn't even SharePoint? Any guesses? Because it's really about the process of getting information out of the system. SharePoint just happens to be the platform that we're working with, okay? So let's stipulate a couple of things. As content in various forms accumulates, it becomes increasingly difficult to manage. All right? Lost information translates into lost time, reduced productivity, workplace frustration, and increased costs and lost profitability. Information is a business tool. It's hard to complete a job when your tools are missing. All right? When we say that as it accumulates, it becomes increasingly difficult to manage, what we mean is that the common keyword is not a good way to find information. The humble keyword is less and less a differentiator the larger and larger your corpus is. Okay? Users will not use a system that delivers poor results. Okay? And a thoroughly considered SharePoint system can be deployed as part of a solution to improve findability. Why do we say a thoroughly considered SharePoint system as it being a part? Because again, it's really about understanding what your business does, understanding the information that you have, understanding where you're strong and weak in your ECM architecture, and then understanding how SharePoint fits into that, and then understanding how to organize the relevant information in SharePoint. But SharePoint in and of itself will do nothing for you. It can make your life a living hell if you don't use it appropriately. Okay?